अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूज़, कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से हैं? जी हाँ, आज आपको लेकर चलते हैं डॉक्टर सैयद अब्बास रज़ा की तरफ, जो आपको डायबिटीज़ की कुछ टिप्स देंगे। चलें, हमारे साथ रहिएगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thanks for the nice introduction. I think I'm privileged to be here at the site for the first time. Beautiful place, and people who are working here might not realize how because they come in day out. But it's actually a nice break from the hall. Actually, it's very nicely located. Although coming here is a challenge, but again, once you arrive here, it's like barrier town of industry. So you have to come in, you're fine. Getting to barrier town is difficult, but again, as long as you're here, then it's a whole new world. And again, I was pleasantly surprised to see this auditorium as well. It's a nice way that you communicate to each other and you can obviously get together. I won't obviously take much of your time. It's not an academic session. So for me, just going back into the history of diabetes itself, if you look back hundreds and thousands of years back, when initially diabetes was diagnosed, it was actually diagnosed when they noted that there was more sugar in your urine, which we all know, and they found out that there somehow need to control the sugar because people were dying away. They said that actually you're melting away in your urine, and that's how the diabetes diagnosis was made. Interestingly enough, now that we have evolved in multiple ways. We have evolved in diagnosis of it. So believe me when I say that diagnosing a diabetes in the early age was not a pleasant thing. Because I don't know if all of you know how the diabetes was initially diagnosed in years when they were first diagnosed. How would you know that someone has diabetes mellitus? So DM is diabetes mellitus. How would you know? So they were actually people who were called urine testers. So they will taste the urine of people who had diabetes, and they will tell if it's sweet or not. So imagine yourself in that age and you were asked to be the tester, urine tester, and then you were making the diagnostic. Not pleasant. So we have evolved from tasting the urine to now just swiping across your forearm or your shoulder and getting a blood glucose reading without even pricking your blood sugar. So we have evolved significantly in that. The management of diabetes has also evolved. I think till the time the extracts of the plant which you thought had sulfonamide urease were used to make sure the blood sugar would come down. Sometimes it did, sometimes it didn't. So people will practically die from diabetes over periods of months. So we have evolved from that. In 1922, when we got insulin first time, and actually we were saving people lives if they had type 1, and we have evolved to now that is almost an artificial pancreas now. So you plug it in. So that's stop diabetes is your. Thanks for this. Thank you.